Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locating the quoted phrase and the surrounding sentence. This is essential. Place commas to separate items or introductory elements first, then see if a quote interrupts the sentence. Once done, decide whether the comma attaches to the quoted material. American convention keeps commas inside closing quotation marks. Make sure to remove extra commas when the quote is a full sentence that ends with its own punctuation. Practice with short examples to build pattern recognition. You now handle middle complexity. When two independent clauses join, insert a comma before the coordinating conjunction. If a clause merely adds information, set it off with commas. If it defines the noun, do not. Once done, examine quoted material that sits mid-sentence. Commas may precede or follow the quote depending on function. Make sure to keep serial commas consistent when listing items, and read aloud to confirm natural pauses and correct comma placement around quotation marks. You finish by applying final punctuation. If the quoted material ends the sentence, place the terminal comma or period according to your style guide. Otherwise, use commas to join clauses or tag questions. Once done, reread the sentence aloud to catch unnatural pauses that signal comma errors. If things go wrong, check whether the comma separates independent clauses or simply sets off an aside. Moving the comma inside or outside the quotation marks often resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.